How to get Spotify Premium or subscription. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get Spotify Premium subscription, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this process is a little bit different on both Android and iOS, because on Android how it works is that you can directly purchase Spotify Premium from the app, but on iPhone and iOS devices that's not how it actually works. You have to use it from your browser because the application on iPhones does not support in-app browsing and in-app payments. So that is the reason why, whether you're on iPhone or Android, what I recommend you do is simply open your browser, go to spotify.com, log into your Spotify account if you do have a free account, or you'll be asked to create one right away. Just follow the instructions. In my case, I have a Spotify account where I want to simply get the premium, and to do that what I have to do is after I log into the website, I need to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once I tap the gear icon from the top right, over here you'll find a little option known as premium, so you can tap this premium option. As you do that, on the next page you'll be able to see all of the features and the USP of having a premium, and here you'll also be able to see the available plans. You can simply choose a plan based on your own needs, whether you're looking for a student, family, individual or duo plan. Depending upon what you'd like, you can just tap the get started option here. And as you tap the get started option, what you want to do is over here you'll be able to see this type of interface where you need to simply select your PayPal or your credit or debit card depending upon what you have available. So I'm assuming most of you are definitely going to go with the credit or debit card option, so you can just select that if you like, or you can also choose PayPal. Make sure to enter your card number, make sure that they're correct. Also make sure to enter your expiration date as well as the year and the security code, or sometimes also referred as CVV or the CVC number. And after you've done this, you can also choose to save your card for the future purchases, and depending upon all the credentials are correct or not, you'll be able to find this option known as buy now. As you've tapped on the buy now option, your Spotify Premium will be successfully activated. Now just in case whenever you purchase the premium from the website, the premium does not load up in the app, what I want you to do is you can just try to log out and log in back to the Spotify app again, or uninstall and reinstall the Spotify app to see if that helps you solve your problem. This way you can get Spotify Premium subscription. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.